Vietnam is one of Asia's top manufacturing destinations, attracting billions in foreign investment each year. With competitive labor costs, a young workforce, and strategic access to global supply chains, setting up a factory in Vietnam allows foreign investors to scale production and access both domestic and international markets. Foreign investors cannot operate factories as individuals. The first step is to establish a company and obtain an investment registration certificate, or IRC. This document grants you the right to establish and operate a manufacturing facility. For large-scale projects, you may also need an investment policy approval from the Provincial People's Committee or even the central government. Once the IRC is issued, the next step is the Enterprise Registration Certificate, or ERC. This certificate defines your company's structure, authorized capital, and registered manufacturing activities. Together, the IRC and ERC form the legal foundation for your factory. The standard process begins with the IRC, followed by the ERC. Afterward, you must complete initial tax registration, make the company seal, and open a corporate bank account for capital contributions. Once these are in place, you proceed with sub-licenses such as environmental permits, construction permits, or specialized approvals depending on your manufacturing sector. Securing a proper site is crucial. Most foreign investors lease land in industrial parks, export processing zones, or economic zones. These areas provide ready infrastructure, utilities, and streamlined licensing procedures. Selecting the right site not only saves time but also reduces long-term operating costs. All manufacturing projects must comply with environmental regulations. Depending on project size, you may need to prepare an environmental impact assessment, or EIA, which must be approved before construction begins. Once operating, you must maintain wastewater treatment, emission controls, and waste management systems that meet Vietnamese standards. Before building your factory, a construction permit is required. This covers the design, layout, and safety standards of your planned facility. Factories built inside industrial parks often benefit from faster approval since the land is already zoned for manufacturing use. Imported machinery and production lines must comply with Vietnamese technical and environmental standards. Used equipment is subject to strict age and condition limits. Authorities encourage advanced, eco-friendly technology, which can also help you qualify for investment incentives. Vietnam's workforce is abundant and cost-effective, but labor laws must be respected. Employers must comply with rules on contracts, wages, working hours, and social insurance. Your factory must also implement occupational safety measures, fire prevention systems, and health policies to protect workers. Non-compliance can result in fines or suspension. At LTS Law, we assist foreign investors at every stage of setting up a manufacturing factory. From obtaining IRC and ERC, leasing industrial land, preparing environmental assessments, and securing construction permits, to labor and safety compliance. With our bilingual legal team, your factory setup will be fast, compliant, and worry-free. Don't let legal complexity delay your project. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn to schedule your free consultation. Your manufacturing factory will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to operate in one of Asia's most competitive industrial markets.